Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore what it's like to shop at an American grocery store. Grocery shopping is an important part of daily life, and it's a great way to practice English. Let's start our shopping adventure. What is a grocery store? Before we begin, let's understand what a grocery store is. It's a shop where people buy food and household items. In America, grocery stores are usually quite large. They sell fresh food, packaged food, and non-food items. Most people go grocery shopping once a week. Now let's walk through a typical grocery shopping trip. Preparing for shopping. Before going to the store, it's good to prepare. 1. Making a shopping list. I write down everything I need to buy. This helps me remember everything and stay organized. 2. Checking for coupons. Coupons are paper or digital discounts for products. They can help save money on groceries. 3. Bringing reusable bags. Many people in America bring their own bags. It's good for the environment and sometimes saves money. Arriving at the store. When I get to the grocery store, here's what I do. 1. Parking the car. Most grocery stores have a large parking lot. I try to park close to the entrance if possible. 2. Getting a shopping cart. Shopping carts, or carts, are near the entrance. Sometimes you need a quarter, 25 cents, to use a cart. 3. Entering the store. The doors usually open automatically. I'm greeted by the sight of colorful fruits and vegetables. Navigating the store. American grocery stores are organized in a specific way. 1. Store layout. Fresh produce, fruits and vegetables, is usually at the entrance. Dairy, meat, and frozen foods are often along the back and sides. Canned goods and packaged foods are in the middle aisles. 2. Following my list. I go through my list and find each item. I try to group similar items to save time. 3. Reading signs. Each aisle has signs showing what products are there. This helps me find things more quickly. Shopping for fresh produce. The produce section is colorful and full of choices. 1. Selecting fruits. I choose fruits that are ripe, but not too soft. Some fruits are sold by the piece, others by weight. 2. Picking vegetables. I look for fresh, crisp vegetables. Some vegetables are prepackaged, others I choose myself. 3. Using produce bags. There are thin plastic bags for fruits and vegetables. I use these to keep my produce separate and clean. Dairy and refrigerated items. Next, I move to the dairy section. 1. Finding milk. There are many types of milk: whole, low-fat, skim, etc. I choose the type I prefer and check the expiration date. 2. Selecting eggs. I carefully open the carton to check if any eggs are broken. I choose eggs with unbroken shells. 3. Choosing yogurt and cheese. There are many flavors of yogurt to choose from. I pick cheeses based on what I plan to cook. Bakery section. Many stores have a bakery section with fresh bread and pastries. 1. Bread options. There's sliced bread, whole loaves, and specialty breads. I choose whole wheat bread for a healthier option. 2. Fresh baked goods. Some stores bake bread and pastries right in the store. The smell is always delicious. 3. Packaged baked goods. There are also shelves with packaged cookies, cakes, and pies. I try to limit these as they're often high in sugar. Meat and seafood. For those who eat meat, there's a dedicated section. 1. Choosing meats. There are different cuts of beef, chicken, pork, etc. I look for lean cuts and check the price per pound. 2. Seafood options. Some stores have a fresh seafood counter. There's also frozen seafood available. 3. Reading labels. Labels show the type of meat, weight, and price. Some labels also show if the meat is organic or grass-fed, canned and packaged goods. The middle aisles usually have canned and packaged foods. 1. Canned vegetables and fruits. These are good to keep in the pantry for quick meals. I choose low-sodium options when possible. 2. Pasta and rice. There are many shapes of pasta and types of rice. I buy whole grain options for more fiber. 3. Snack foods. There's a wide variety of chips, crackers, and other snacks. I try to choose healthier options like nuts or dried fruits. Frozen foods. The frozen food section offers convenience. 1. Frozen vegetables. These are great when fresh veggies aren't available. They're often just as nutritious as fresh. 2. Frozen meals. There are many options for quick, easy dinners. I look for ones with lower sodium and more vegetables. 3. Ice cream and desserts. The freezer section also has ice cream and frozen desserts. These are treats I buy occasionally. Non-food items. Grocery stores also sell many non-food items. 1. Cleaning supplies. Things like dish soap, laundry detergent, and sponges. I buy these as needed. 2. Personal care items. Toothpaste, shampoo, and other toiletries. Sometimes these are cheaper at grocery stores than drugstores. 3. Pet supplies. For those with pets, there's often a section for pet food and supplies. Checking out. After I've found everything on my list, it's time to check out. 1. Choosing a checkout line. I look for a line that's not too long. Some stores have self-checkout options. 2. Putting items on the conveyor belt. I place my items on the moving belt. The cashier will scan each item. 3. Paying for groceries. I can pay with cash, credit card, or sometimes a check. Many stores also accept mobile payment methods. 4. Bagging groceries. In some stores, I bag my own groceries. In others, an employee helps bag the items. After shopping. Once I've paid, there are a few more steps. 1. Checking the receipt. I quickly look over the receipt to make sure everything is correct. I keep the receipt in case I need to return anything. 2. Taking groceries to the car. I push my cart to my car in the parking lot. I load the bags into my car carefully. 3. Returning the cart. I return the cart to the designated area in the parking lot. This helps keep the parking lot tidy for others. Conclusion. Shopping at an American grocery store can be an adventure. It's a great way to see different foods, practice reading labels in English, and learn about American eating habits. Remember, it's okay to ask for help if you can't find something or don't understand a label. Most grocery store employees are happy to assist you. I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable shopping in an American grocery store. It's a great opportunity to practice your English in a real-life situation. You can read signs, ask questions, and even chat with the cashier. Keep learning and don't be afraid to try new foods. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia saying goodbye and happy shopping. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some keywords from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Grocery store, noun. A shop that sells food and household items. 2. Shopping cart, noun. A wheeled basket for carrying groceries. 3. Produce, noun. Fresh fruits and vegetables. 4. Ale, noun. A passage between shelves in a store. 5. Dairy, noun. Milk products like cheese and yogurt. 6. Meat. Noun. Animal flesh eaten as food. 7. Frozen. Adjective. Kept very cold to preserve food. 8. Canned. Adjective. Food stored in a metal container. 9. Checkout. Noun. The place where you pay for your items. 10. Receipt. Noun. A paper showing what you bought and how much you paid. 11. Bag. Noun. Verb. A container for groceries. To put groceries in a bag. 12. Price. Noun. How much something costs. 13. List. Noun. Written things to remember or do. 14. Fresh adjective. Recently made or harvested. 15. Pay. Verb. To give money for something you're buying. Remember to practice these words when talking about shopping or going to the grocery store. Good luck with your English learning journey.